Here I have HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro, and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you the first one. Let me show you the screen recorder. So this is a really simple trick, but really useful one, because you can record your screen. All you need to do is open the notification panel, tap screen recorder. Here you need to enable the storage permissions, so let me do it. Let's choose permissions, tap storage, and let's tap allow. Alright, now you can go back. And now let me use the screen recorder again. And that's it. Right now we're just recording the screen, so you can record your action on your screen, also with microphone, and you can stop it right here. Now if you would like to find your records, you can tap gallery, and here you can choose albums and select videos. Let's select one of the following videos, and this is your recording. Alright, so that's it. Let's go back and let me show you the next trick. So this time let me show you a really useful one. Let me show you the trust space. So all you need to do is tap settings. Here let's choose security, and let's choose trust space. So you just need to enable this feature. If you have the following view, it means that you've got enabled trust space. In my case, I need to fix the trust space, so let me do it. To use the trust space, you need to use the screen lock protection. It could be the pin, pattern, or something. Let me use, for example, pattern. You have to do it twice, tap done. You have to check the Wi-Fi. Let me tap fix now. Let's go back, and that's it. So here you can also enable the safety tips. It could be really useful, and you can protect your wallets. So let me protect my HUAWEI wallet and the second one. Here you can also check out some more payment if you would like to, or you can tap cancel. This is the trust space, so this is really useful because you can automatically check for security threats to keep your payment secure. Alright, let's go back and let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the really powerful app. Let me show you the optimizer. Let's tap optimizer, and here you can do one really useful thing. You can optimize your phone just by using the one button. You can just tap optimize here, and the device automatically is cleaning the junk files, optimizing your device performance. Here you can fix some more things if you would like to, or you can just tap done. And here you can also, for example, perform the virus scan. So this is really useful because you can check out if you have some viruses, threats, malware, or other stuff on your phone. Alright, let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the simple mode. All you need to do is choose settings, and here from settings let's select system and updates, choose simple mode, and tap enable. So you can simplify your home screen with the large icons. It could be really useful mode if you would like to use really simple layout, and as you can see, you can use it right here. You can of course check out how it looks, and if you would like to go back to the previous view, let's choose here in settings exit simple mode. That's it. And now let me show you the next trick. Let me show you the digital balance. Let's choose here settings, and let's select here digital balance. And this really useful app. You can check out your screen time. You can enable some app limits. You can also here use the away time feature, so you can schedule time away from your device. You can also enable the digital balance pin. Here you've got some more information, some statistics from the last week, and other stuff. Let's go back, and now let me show you the last trick. So let me show you the dark mode. So this is really useful and really cool trick. All you need to do is use upper bar twice, and here let's tap on dark mode. As you can see right now, the dark mode is activated, so you can check out how your device looks in a dark mode. That's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.